بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے۔
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق۔
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا۔
خلق الانسان من علق۔
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی۔
اقرأ وربک الاکرم۔
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے۔
الذی علم بالقلم۔
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا۔
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم۔
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا۔
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is KG and period is English language text. Respected parents and dear students, this is our new academic session 2021 and 22. And this is our first video of our first semester midterm. First of all, in this video, I will introduce you your English language book. This is your English language book. Its name is Jolly Phonic Pupil Book 3. It is yellow and green in color. Okay, students and respected parents, start our video. Let's start our video. In this video, first day work, we will start our first unit number 1 from this book. Look at the board. You have read and write phonic sounds in your previous classes. We will revise in this video again one phonic sound. If we see PH is written together in any word spelling, it gives fa sound. I repeat once again, अगर हम किसी वर्ड में PH लेटर को एक साथ लिखा हुआ देखते हैं तो ये हमें fa sound देती है, fa sound. If we see PH is written together in any word spelling, it gives fa sound. Read different words of fa sound. Read this word with me. P-H-O-T-O. You are seeing PH is written together in this word. This is the letter P and H and it is giving fa sound. Photo. Photo. यानी क्या sound दे रहा है word? Photo. P-H-O-T-O. Photo. Let's read the next word. N-E-P-H-E-W. Nephew. Nephew. PH is written together in this word. Look at this word. Yes. That's why this is giving fa sound. Fa sound. Nephew. Nephew. G-R-A-P-H. Next word is graph. Graph. PH is written together. It is giving fa sound. Graph. Once again read. Photo. Nephew. Graph. Graph. Okay. Read next word. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet. Alphabet. You are saying PH is together? Yes. That's why this PH is giving fa sound. Fa sound. Read with me. Alphabet. Alphabet. Next word is P-A-M-P-H-L-E-T. Pamphlet. Pamphlet. PH is giving first sound. Pamphlet. Read with me once again. Pamphlet. Pamphlet. Okay. Next word is phrase. Read the spelling of this word. P-H-R-A-S-E. Phrase. Phrase. Once again we will read all these words. Photo, nephew, graph, alphabet, microphone, orphan, pamphlet, phrase. Respected parents, when we are students, this is our first day work, 23rd of August, unit number 1. You can see this work in your Jolly Phonic book, page number 2. Okay, come to our next day work. This is our text copy work, 24th of August. This work is your second day work. Okay students, you all know very well your text copy has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your text copy has 4 lines. And here we will write all capital letters, day by day. Okay student, first day you will write A to I. In your text copy you will write A to I. All capital letters we will write in upper 3 lines. We write all capital letters. हम तमाम capital letters को ऊपर की 3 lines में लिखते हैं. Read with me all capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. You write just in your text copy first page A to I, and as well as you will do your classwork and homework. Your next page work is 25th of August. Date is 25th of August. You will write J to R. J to R. These are all capital letters. You will write in upper 3 lines. Read with me. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. You will write just on your next page J to R, classwork page and homework page. Next day work is 26th of August. S to Z. S to Z. You know very well how to write. You will write in upper 3 lines also. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Dear student, you will write in your text copy all capital letters and Jolly Phonic book, as well as you will write small letter also. How to write in your text copy? Let's see. This is your Jolly Phonic People book 3. Open this book. First unit. This is your first day work. First you will mention the date, respective parents. You will help the student and repeat the videos to see the student. First you will mention the date. This is classwork and homework also. Dear student, first of all you will write fa sound, tracing work like this. Tracing means you have to hide the dotted line. ट्रेसिंग का मतलब होता है कि आपको जो डॉटेड लाइन दी हुई है उसको तमाम डॉट्स को छुपाना होता है. वेरी फाइन ट्रेसिंग यू विल डू PH like this. You will complete all the letter PH. This is fa sound. Okay, you will complete it. Next, read again these words. Fa sound. Photo, nephew, graph, alphabet, microphone, orphan, pamphlet, phrase. All words are giving fa sound. Okay, read these words many times to memorize it. Okay, come to our next activity. Okay, read the words below and draw a picture for each one. आप इस स्पेस में यहाँ वर्ड पिक्चर ड्रॉ करेंगे. एलिफेंट, एलिफेंट. You will draw a picture of elephant here like this. Okay? Yes. You will draw with the help of your parents. You will draw a picture here in this space. Next space word is dolphin. Dolphin. You will draw a dolphin picture here like this. Okay, this is dolphin. Dolphin. The word dolphin is giving fa sound. PH. Dolphin. Dolphin. Okay, next word is phone. 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 You will draw a phone in this space. Like this, you will draw a phone. Okay. Next picture name is phantom. Phantom is not real character like monsters, ghost. This is not real characters you see in your cartoons, movies. Phantom. Okay, student, this is phantom. Ghost means ghost, like this. Okay, come to our text copy work. Respected parents and dear student, this is your text copy. First of all, you will fill the cover page of this copy. Name, class, section, subject and roll number. And after that, on the first page, you will fill the basic information on this page. First semester 2021 to 22. You will write here student ID, GR number, student name, father name, level is KG, section are mentioned in your August feature lamp. You can here see student roll number, subject. Let's start our work. First you will write first semester midterm has been started. The second day work is capital letter. 24th of August you will mention the date. Then write A to I. Again I am telling you, all capital letters you will write in upper 3 lines. Because your text copy has 4 lines. A, B, C, D, E, then F, G, H, I. You will write 2 times in this page like this. You will drop 1 line, then start next line. A to I. आप जो है A to I 2 times इस पेज पर लिखेंगे. Like this. And dear student, you will do your classwork and as well as you will do your homework, same as CW on this page. Your next day work is 25th of August. You will write J to R. आप next page पर J से R तक लिखेंगे. Start in your best handwriting. J, K, L M N O P Q R. You will drop one line and start from here, J to R. Okay, student? On the next page, you will do your homework, J to R. Come to our next day work. This is 26th of August. Complete the capital letter. You will write here S to Z. Start writing. S T U V W X Y Z. Once again you will write here S T U V W X Y, then last letter is Z. Come to our next day work. You will do your homework also S to Z. After that you will write small letter. Yes, dear student, you have written small letters in your nursery class. You all know very well A to Z how to write. In small letters, when you write small letter, you write some sky letter, grass letter and root letters. I will tell you how to write. A, this is grass letter because we are writing this letter in middle two lines. That's why it is called grass letter. Those letters we will write in middle two lines are called grass letter, and those letters we write in upper three lines are called sky letter, and those letters we write in lower three lines are called root letters. A, B is sky letter. C, again grass letter. D, E, F. D, F are sky letter. E and C are grass letter. G, look at G. G is, we are writing in lower three lines. That's why it is called root letter. H, H is a sky letter and I is grass letter. You will write on this page just A to I, small letters. And same as the W, you will write on your homework page. This is your 27th of August work, and last day work, it is Saturday work, 28th of August. You will complete your small letters. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You will complete your small letter J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You will do your homework J to Z. This is your text copy work. Parents and dear student, this is your English language workbook. By the time in coming days, we will do the work in this book also. This is your homework message diary. You will use first semester homework diary. First you will mention the student name, class, section, subject and roll number. This is the session 2021 to 22. Respected parents, you will fill the basic information. Student ID, GR number, student name, about student height, student health information. You will write here. Father name. This is the Cambridge system, so you will tick here. Class is KG. Wing, you will write here. Student section, roll number. You can see your August fee challan and write here. You will write here complete address, contact number and your signature, parent signature. After that, you will mention the all day wise diary in your homework diary. First day, your 23rd date. This is Monday, week number 1, month is August. Jolly phonic work we have done. Learn phonic sound, page number 2. आप phonic sound को याद करेंगे. This is your homework. Next day is 24th, Tuesday, week number 1, August. You will do your text copy work. Write A to I. You will write capital letter A to I. 25, this day is Wednesday, week 1, month is August. Text copy work. Write J to R. This is your homework. 26th date, day is Thursday, week number 1, month is August. Again text copy work. Write S to Z. 27th day is Friday, week number 1, month is August. Text copy work again. Write small letter A to I. Okay. And last day work is 28th day. Day is Saturday, week number 1, month is August. Last day work is also in your text copy. Write J to Z. Okay, student. This is your homework diary. And I hope you have got all the things. And we will meet inshallah in physical classes. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.